Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add Spotify to Notion. So first up, open your Spotify app. And from here, as you can see, we have the Spotify app. Then go to library and select the playlist. So for example, I'm going to select this one and then click on the three dots right from here and then select on share button at the bottom and then click copy link to playlist. Once done, go to your Notion and you just have to right click here and paste the link. We have three options: create bookmark, create embed, and dismiss. So we're going to create embed, and as you can see, we have just added the Spotify to Notion, and you can basically resize this one or customize. So you can just drag the sides or down right here. So you can play this one or you can basically click on the next button. So there you have it. Now if you want to change the logo or the color on the Spotify, so basically just have to go back to your Spotify app and then here on your playlist, click on the choose photo button and here select the logo that you want. And once done here, you just have to enter here the name. So as you can see, we have the logo and we can basically change the name here. For example, this is like quick playlist. So type the name here. Then you can also add the description, then click on save. So there you have it. As you can see, we have just added our logo and we can go right here with the three dots and we have some options to basically customize your playlist. And you can also go to edit details to basically edit or add a description. And once done, you just have to click again the three dots and then click on share button and embed playlist. And then here, you'll find your embed playlist. You can change the color gray to black if you want. And you can also change the size. And then here, once done, you can show the code right here, as you can see, and then copy the code, and then go back to Notion. And then here, we're going to close the last playlist. Okay, I'm going to delete this one, for example. And then here, I'm going to type /embed. And then click on this embed. And then we're going to paste the link right here. And then click on the button embed link. So there you have it. We have just added the Spotify with added logo and other color. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.